Beneath 3 kilometers of solid ice, in a place no human has ever set foot, something is moving. It's water, flowing through total darkness across a continent supposed to be frozen solid. Scientists only just found it. What they discovered under Antarctica isn't just changing what we know about the ice. It might decide how fast our coastlines disappear. Antarctica holds about 90% of the world's fresh water. For over a century, we pictured it as one silent block of ice, frozen straight down to bedrock. That picture was wrong. In the 1970s, researchers using ice radar near Russia's Vostok station found something impossible: liquid water sealed under 4 kilometers of ice. They called it Lake Vostok, water that hadn't seen sunlight in maybe 1 million years. At the time, it seemed like a strange exception. It wasn't. As radar technology improved, scientists kept finding more lakes hidden under the ice. Not 5, not 20. Over 675 subglacial lakes have now been mapped. Here's the part that changed everything. These lakes aren't isolated. Many are connected by rivers, real rivers, flowing under the ice in complete darkness. They're driven by heat rising from the bedrock and the crushing pressure of the ice above, enough to melt ice, even at 40 below zero. You can't drill every square kilometer of a continent bigger than the US and Mexico combined. So researchers use something like a superpower: ice-penetrating radar. Radar pulses travel down through the ice. Solid ice reflects the signal one way. Liquid water reflects it completely differently, an unmistakable signature. By flying grid patterns over thousands of miles, scientists built an X-ray of the whole continent, revealing a hidden plumbing system no one expected. Here's why glaciologists are concerned. Glaciers flow slowly toward the ocean, and what's underneath them decides exactly how fast that happens. Ice on dry rock has friction. It moves slowly. Ice on a layer of water acts like it's on a lubricant. It slides toward the sea dramatically faster. When a hidden lake drains suddenly, sending a pulse of water downstream, the ice above can speed up its journey to the ocean for months. Multiply that across 675 connected lakes sitting on ice that could raise sea levels nearly 58 meters. And this stops being a footnote. There's one more thing keeping researchers up at night, in a good way. These waters have been cut off from sunlight for possibly hundreds of thousands of years. When teams finally sampled this hidden system, they found signs of microbial life, organisms evolving in total darkness and freezing cold, isolated from everything we know. Right now, teams from multiple countries are racing to map the rest of this network. New satellites are tracking exactly how these lakes fill, drain, and connect. There's an entire river system under one of the most remote places on Earth. And we only just found the map. It's becoming a lot more important to understand. So next time you picture Antarctica as a silent, frozen wasteland, remember there's a river down there, moving in the dark. What else haven't we found yet?